Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude after moving in this zone, it has moved upside and now it is at above a strong resistance of 77. It has crossed this level and now trading at a level of $77.18, and chances are very high that we can see if the price keeps sustaining above that level, a further upside movement we can see, and from there it can go towards a 79 to a level of 80, and then to a level of it can cross a level of around 82 also if the price keeps sustaining. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, there is an opposite U pattern is forming, so chances can be high that once started going below a level of 70.5, a further downfall we can see, and if started going below this level, it will move below a level of 67 also. Okay, now you have to look at this particular trend. This is a small opposite U pattern forming, and this is a bigger U pattern is forming. Okay, so if the price started moving below $65, a further downfall we can see, because there will be a zone breakout will happen, and chances are very high that we can see it will downfall. Okay, particular trend overall it is trying to go upside because it is already above a resistance. Okay, and we can see there will be a higher chances that a further upside movement we can see till the time it is sustaining above a level of 77. Okay, so once the price started moving below this level, then we can see there can be a chances that it will move in this zone again till the time it is not breaking a level of 68, because it is the zone where it is moving in a zone of 77 to a level of 68. This is the zone. Okay, now once the price started moving below this particular level, then only we can see a further downfall. Otherwise, we'll see that if the price keeps sustaining above a level of 77, a further upside movement we can see. If you look at the dollar index also, see, first I have to tell you what happened after pandemic. Pandemic was clearly showing that there was a pattern forming, because people are booking profit and traders are booking profit whenever it was going high, because the pandemic situation was worse. Okay, as soon as it started clearing lockdowns, you will see that further it was creating a pattern, and once the Ukraine war started, we have seen there is a downfall continuously. Okay, till now we have not seen that level has come, but as soon as started going above a level of 94, or if it goes above a level of 85, then we can see there is a chances it will cross a level of 94 and then further upside. If you look at the dollar index also, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside after 4 weeks. Okay, so if started going above this particular zone, we will see it will cross a level of 104, and from there a further high we can see, because there will be a higher chances of going further upside. Okay, and as soon as started going above a level of around 107, then we will see a zone breakout will happen, and then we can see a dollar index will move further upside, which will in turn move the natural gas also down, and there is a higher chances that we can see there are chances of moving a crude also further down. Okay, so if you look at this particular trend, what we can see, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, we will see it will go towards a level of 78.41. Okay, the price keeps sustaining above that level, keep that in mind. It will cross a level of around $79.41, and after that it will move above that particular zone, and it will touch a level of $82.26. $82.26 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross that level, and from there it will go towards a level of 84.82. Okay, and once the price started moving above a level of 84.82, we will see a level of 85. Okay, and if the level sustaining above 85, a further upside movement we can see. From there it will go towards $87.97. Okay, and from there a further upside we can see towards a level of 91.06 after crossing a level of 87.97. If the price keeps sustaining over $91.06, a further upside we can see towards $93, and from there a further high we can see towards 95. Okay, there is a clear pattern forming if the price started sustaining over 85, because there will be a probability that it will go above a level of 95.5. Okay, now as I have already explained you, market is always uncertain. Okay, as the market is uncertain, you have to remember something. If you're putting your SL, you will save your capital. If you're not putting, there is a chances you can wipe out your capital. If you're putting your SL, you will save your capital, and then there are higher chances that you can trade further, and then there is a chance of making profit. And once you are in profit, always try to trail your profit. If you are trailing your profit, you will be more confident, and you will be taking this profit home and your sustainability for a longer period is very high. Okay, so now if the price didn't sustain, because you have to understand market is always uncertain. Okay, if you are these two things you are doing, then you will be sustaining for a longer period of time. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $76.18. Okay, if the price keep moving below this particular level, we will see a level of 74.31. okay, if the price started falling below this particular level, further downfall we can see towards a level of $72.62. And if that level falls, a further fall we can see towards 70.15. okay, once the price started falling below 70.15, a further fall we can see towards $68. okay, and if the price started falling below 68, a further downfall we can see from there a level of around $64.60. again I repeat, suppose if the price fall below this level of around 77, it will move towards $74 to a level of around 73.18. if the price keeps sustaining below that level, we will see a level of $70.83. okay, and if started moving below this particular level, a further downfall we can see a level of 69.383. okay, and once the price started falling below 69.83, a further fall we can see towards a level of 66.74, which is already being a weak resistance support, so chances are high it will fall further down towards 63.74. and once the price started falling below 63.74, we will see a further fall towards $61.58, and then from there a further downfall we will see. okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.